Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to discuss about the gaseous exchange in humans. In humans and in higher animals, the exchange of gases is carried out by respiratory system. The respiratory system is divided into two parts, the air passageway and the lungs. So today we are going to discuss about the air passageway. The air passageway consists of the following parts. The nose, which encloses the nasal cavity. It opens to the outside through the openings called nostrils. Nasal cavity is lined by the fine hairs and mucus. The fine hairs filter the dust particles from the air, while the mucus moistens and warms the incoming air and keeps its temperature nearly equal to that of its body. The nasal cavity opens into the pharynx. Pharynx is a muscular passage and common to both food and air. It extends to the opening of the esophagus and the larynx. Glottis is a narrow opening at the floor of the pharynx which leads into the larynx. Now, what is larynx? Larynx is a box which is also known as voice box. It is made up of the cartilage. It is present between the pharynx and trachea. There are two pairs of fibrous bands which are known as vocal cords, which are stretched across the larynx. When these vocal cords vibrate, when the air passes through them, this vibration produces sounds. Then larynx continues to the trachea, which is also called the windpipe. It is about 12 cm long tube which lies in front of the esophagus. These trachea are made up of C-shaped cartilaginous rings in the wall of trachea. The cartilage keeps the trachea from collapsing even when there is no air in it. On entering the chest cavity, the trachea divides into two smaller tubes called bronchi. The bronchi continues dividing in the lungs until they make several fine tubes which are known as bronchioles. The bronchioles end as fine tubules which are known as alveolar ducts. Each alveolar duct opens into a cluster of pouches which are known as alveoli, and alveoli are surrounded by a network of capillaries. The pulmonary artery from the heart, which is containing deoxygenated blood, enters into the lungs and branches into the arterioles and then into the capillaries which surrounded the alveoli. These then join together and form the venules, which are forming the pulmonary vein. The pulmonary vein carries the oxygenated blood back to the heart. So this is the whole air passageway. Now coming to the assignment question answers. Trace the path of air from nasal cavity to the alveoli. Differentiate between larynx and trachea. Explain the process of air passageway. Thank you.